Hello students, I am Urvanshu Chaudhary, BTech from Jadavpur University. I am gonna teach you physics problems. So today's topic is motion in a straight line, and this question has already came in neet 2017. So what is the question? Let's find out. Preeti reached the metro station and found that the escalator is not working. She walked up the stationary escalator in time t1. In other days, if she remains stationary on the moving escalator, then the escalator takes that time in t2. So the time taken by her to walk up on the moving escalator will be. So there is two conditions is there. One is stationary escalator. I am comfortable in both English and Hindi. Please be in both language, no problem. So she walked up in the stationary escalator in time t1, and when it is if she remains stationary on the moving escalator, then the moving escalator takes time t2, right? So let's solve the question. वीडियो को पॉज कीजिए और 2 मिनट को सॉल्व करने की कोशिश कीजिए और मैं इसको अपनी तरीके से सॉल्व कर दूंगा, ठीक है? थैंक यू. So students, let's suppose करो कि total distance covered by the escalator is d. Okay, from bottom to top. Now let's say the velocity of escalator is v1 and velocity of Preeti is v2. So here no acceleration is there. Acceleration means the change in velocity with respect to time. Okay, so now time taken t1 as mentioned in the question would be distance upon velocity, right? That means d by v1, right? And t2 as mentioned in the question is time taken by the Preeti, right, to cover the whole distance would be d by v2. Now in the third case, when escalator is working and Preeti is also running, also walking. That means in this case velocity would be v1 plus v2, right? And the time t would be distance covered by the escalator is always same. So मुझे d distance cover करना है, but इधर velocity कितना है v, so equals to d by v1 plus v2, right? So we also know that dt1 equals to d by v1 and t2 equals to d by v2. So that means there should be d by v1 plus d by v2. Sorry, v1 must be d by t1 and v2 will be d by t2. So d by t1 plus d by t2, that means 1 upon 1 by t1 plus 1 by t2, that means 1 by t1 plus t2 by t1 t2. So time taken by the escalator in the third case will be t1 t2 by t1 plus t2. So option B is correct.